Hey, so out here in the garage this evening, and I thought I would try my hand at doing an IGTV video. I've yet to do one of these, and I'm going to film the whole thing on my iPhone 11. I'm trying to heat the garage up, but unfortunately I haven't had the heater going for that long, so it's only 44 degrees in the garage right now, so it's not bad, but it could be warmer out here. What we're doing today is we are going to be installing new trunk struts on the M3. The ones, we'll go over and we'll show you what's going on. So the ones on the M3 are totally shot. If I try to open it, it doesn't do anything. So I picked up some Stabilis brand made in Germany trunk struts that I got from FCP Euro. If anyone watching this works at FCP Euro, and you want to work with this dude that has a ridiculous yellow E36 M3, that'd be sick. I mean, this should be like ridiculously simple. I just need a tiny screwdriver, and that's it. Huh? Right? It's the it's the small things sometimes. Yeah. I don't know. That's it. Super short video, but it's the Midwest, and I am in the garage, and it is pretty cold outside, so it's a pretty good time to grab a brew and celebrate. But thanks for hanging out with me here, and I hope you like this weird format. It's super easy to do a quick video, so maybe I'll do things like this in the future. But I'll see you guys next time. Oh, for those of you that are still around at the end of the video, even after, even after. The only thing I'm using for this, besides my iPhone, says Sweet Beauty Light. Totally not necessary, but dude, look at these skin tones. Look at this. It's pretty good. And the other thing I'm using, Joby Gorilla Pod with a Joby mobile phone mount thing that can hold it vertically and also hold a mic, which eventually I'll figure out how to use. But yeah, that's it. Super simple.